Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today we're going to do a Halloween treat, a spider sucker.
Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments.
You need a Tootsie Pop wire cutters and you need 2 pipe cleaners. You're going to cut your pipe cleaners in half. So now you take your pipe cleaners and you put them in a row, and then you put your sucker on the top of your pipe cleaners. So you take one side and you wrap it around. So far, this is what it looks like. So now we can bend our pipe cleaners for his legs. Now we just need googly eyes and glue and a toothpick. So we're going to glue our eyes on our thing. Here's my spider. Here is my aunt's. Hers doesn't stand up to you. This is a fun, quick craft to make. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.